Assalamu alaikum my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home and enjoying your holidays. My name is Amna Naz and I am the teacher of mathematics. So today we are going to do numbers. What we are going to do? We are going to do numbers from 0 to 9. First of all, I will recall you numbers and after that we will practice these numbers on our workbook. So, learn with me. First number is 0. First number is 0 and after 0, 1. 1. This is 2. 2. What comes after 2? It's a number 3. 3. And what comes after number 3? 4. 4. And after 4, we have number 5. 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, after 5, what comes after 5? It's a number 6. 6. And what comes after 6? 7. 7. And what comes after 7? It's a 8. 8. And what comes after 8? It's a number 9. 9. Now, once again, recall it with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now, we will practice these numbers on our workbook. My dear kids, now we are going to write from number 1 to 9. Open page number 15. So, we are going to write number from 1 to 9. 0 is already written. So, we will start from number. What comes after 0? 1. 1. 0, 1 and what comes after 1? It's number 2. 2. 0, 1, 2 and what comes after 2? Number 3. 3. What comes after 3? It's a number 4. 4. And what comes after 4? 5. 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and what comes after 5? 6. It's a number 6. And what comes after 6? 7. 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and what comes after 7? 8. 8. And what comes after 8? It's a number 9. 9. Now, once again read with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is how you will write the number from 0 to 9. Thank you.